Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another episode of The Tonight Show. I am your host, Missy Lamb. Tonight, my guest is Lily. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Lily. Hi, Lily. Welcome to The Tonight Show. How are you?
I'm good.
Very good to see you. Ladies and gentlemen, doesn't she have the most beautiful brown eyes? Oh, my goodness. What grade are you in, Lily?
Second.
You're in the second grade, and I understand you have a special talent.
I can make myself burp.
You can what?
I can make myself burp.
Make yourself burp. Okay, the microphone is all yours. Go.
Hold on.
Oh my goodness, Lily, is that allowed in public?
I think so.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Burping